We are now giving you the inside scoop on India-US trade deal. India-US, the talks are going on. The talks are in the last leg, deal to be finalized very soon. Commerce Minister has said US team will be visiting India in August. The trade deal with the United States will take place very soon. We have already seen how there have been 5 rounds of conversations between India and the United States of America. Indian team has visited Washington, D.C. twice. From the US administration, a team has come to India. And now we are expecting the team to be visiting India sometime in August. And we will see the final contours of the deal coming out by the end of August. My colleague Milan Sharma is now joining me on the story. Milan, we are expecting the trade deal with the United States of America to be penned very soon. The Commerce Minister also very clearly saying that the United States team will be visiting India in August.
Well, that's right, Aishwarya, because the US-India trade deal happens to be the biggest of it all. And of course, Donald Trump, President US, has announced tariff for most other countries. But with India, of course, the talks are still going on. And many round of talks have already happened, as you just explained. And Commerce Minister at the union level, Piyush Goyal, said that, we are ready for any sort of negotiations. And as that deal is going to be penned forward, of course, India is going to be steadfast in its negotiations on trade and commerce, and that is a clear signal that has already been given to the US. The team from the US is what we learn is going to arrive towards the second half of August. So we're expecting all this to happen after, of course, the timeline for the parliament, and as the parliament session is also going on, we are expecting that the team in the US will be arriving in New Delhi for those very crucial negotiations over the India-US trade deal.
Thank you, Milan, giving us all those details. Now let's listen into what Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has said with regards to India-US trade deal.
We are in active discussions with all different countries, with the European Union, with the US, with Peru, with Chile, Oman. Several discussions are going on. All are going on at the right speed, in the right direction. And as and when each of these agreements is finalized, we will of course be keeping you fully informed.